Hello Andarki, welcome back to our YouTube channel Rhythm and Routine. Best to draw wing eyeliners. See the color. Wow. So nice. अभी भी सुनाई नहीं देगा. So I can happily keep this. Okay, Abhay? And thank you so much, Anu Didi. Hello Andarki, welcome back to our YouTube channel Rhythm and Routine with a new vlog. Roju nenu na cupboard cleaning chestunnanu and then I realized I have so many new things all the way from USA. So ippudu na anni gifts chupistanu and all thanks to Jiju and my sister-in-law for giving us all these gifts and new things and very interesting stuff also anamata. So ippudu na start chedam kada. So idi na IKEA shopping ledu. Okay,
నాకు అర్థం కాదు సార్.
idi all the things I have brought in this bag because there are lot of stuff, lot of things. So let's start one by one. Okay.
ఓకే.
సో ఎందుకంటే మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు నాకు మేకప్ చాలా ఇష్టం. సో ఎవ్రీవన్ నోస్ దాట్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద మేకప్ దట్ ఐ గాట్. ఓకే, చలా ఇది చాక్లెట్ వద్దు. ఓకే, ఇది ఐ షాడో ప్యాలెట్ ఫ్రమ్ Hershey's and it's in the shade Special Dark and trust me, చాలా బాగుంది pigmentation of all the colors in this palette. Wait, 1 2 3. See, it's like a water droplet, the whole packaging. So cute, and it has all shades of purple over here, 2 shimmery shades and then 4 matte shades. Beautiful color in mauve anamata. So చాలా love. That's one. Then tarvata we have cute purse in a beautiful mauve shade. And आप सोचे होगे मेकअप बोल के अभी why am I showing a bag? Because इसके अंदर boom, full of makeup things, makeup products. So one by one I'll show you. Okay, churu Lancome mascara. Okay, so it's in the shade black. I have never used Lancome mascara, so and I love mascara. Chala ishtam. Next we have N Degree 7. It is for the lashes and it's in the shade brown. So to give you that natural finish, at the same time it will have a nice lift on the lash. This is how the brush applicator looks like. One more mascara. And also interesting about this mascara is, interesting point, coconut conditioning mascara. Ante it is very good. It will act as a voluminous lashes. It will add more volume to your lashes and it is good for the lash also because it has coconut conditioning in it. Oh, my favorite, the Bad Girl Bang mascara. Idi one of the best product in mascara in the market by Benefit and chala love. So and look at the packaging also. It has a very nice sparkling. Now next, Abhay, why 2 chapstick are missing?
Because I thought I will try it.
Seriously, Nana? When did you take it, Ra?
I know where the products are.
See, Anyway, so this is Lip Naturals petroleum free lip balm with vitamin E, aloe vera and natural oils. Very good and hydrating for the lips and Mata. And you can see 2 has already been stolen by Abbai. But anyway, this 4 are mine. Okay. This is a very nice, interesting eyeliner because I've never used this. This brand, I think AOA Studio. And look at the tip. Best to draw wing eyeliners. And let us all take the things out. Lot of lipsticks, okay? And idina all the lipsticks that I got, and this is my best because it is from Clinique, and it's a creamy lip gloss, and it has a very beautiful texture and a nice color, like a tinted lip balm kind of. It's beautiful nude, rustic nude shade from L'Oreal. And then see, I have already started using it. Idi manchiga light mauve pink shade, keeps your lip hydrated seriously. And then it's in the shade of nice pink. So pretty. And see, look at this. It is from Hourglass, again another brand that I've never used. Wow, such a nice rustic brick red color. Wow, see the shade. Oh wow, and look at the logo of Hourglass. Interesting, right? Nice. And another shade in red. And this is again a beautiful mauve shade, not mauve, like beautiful nude shade, more like my skin color. And then we have one more from Maybelline. Wow, very nice. I like all these shades on the nude pastel shade. So these are all lipsticks and Mata. And I forgot there were one more mascara from Clinique. It's in the shade of black again. And it's in the mini packet, so very handy when you're traveling. You can just put it in your purse and ta-da, off you go. Now, very interesting eyeshadow palettes. It's not a chocolate bar. Hello, it is not a chocolate bar, Annie. So don't steal it, don't keep it in the fridge. So this is by Hershey's. See the color. So it has very beautiful shade in peach, in brown, mostly in bronze color and peach color, and most of the shade are in sparkle. So chala nice. And the packaging, wow, 10 on 10 for the packaging, literally. And next, another very cute makeup shadow palette that I've ever come across, which is by Disney. Cute kada? Aww. This is again in the nude shade, which has a bit of silver and mauve in it. So chala bondi. And 100 out of 100 for the packaging. Seriously, it is so cute. You don't even feel like using it. And ipuru we have some face products. So this is a palette by Nicole Miller New York, Rosy Blush palette. It has a shimmery blush over here, all in a powder formula. So this is a very nice palette for the blush. And one more we have, this is interesting. It has a blush, it has a contour, it has a highlighter. And then a very beautiful mauve, I don't know, there is this word called holographic or something like that. And this is a highlighter by Milani. Won't be visible, but once you put makeup and all, and you just put it on top of your blush. So that is it for the makeup and Mata, okay? Now for all this makeup, mirror to chahiye na? So this is a mirror that I got, Jiju gifted, and it is a Glow Tech LED compact mirror, and it has a touch sensor dimming on and off switch, dimmable brightness, 3 light color settings. Wow. And 1x and 10x magnification. Okay, now I am scared because it will show me all my flaws on the skin because of the zoom. But let's open it and see. It's like some facial kit. Okay, this is the zoom part. Oh my god. Okay, this is better. Wow. So nice. So good this is. Like traveling mein aise bag mein rakh ke you can go. So I have turned off the light to show you the power of the mirror light in darkness as well. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. See? So cool! Wow! Now doing makeup is even more easier. 1, 2, 3. 3 light modes. Chala cool, right? So Idina comes with this charger also, and here is the charging point for the light anamata. And then very nice bougie velvety pouch to put your mirror inside it and keep it inside your bag. Thank you Baba, thank you Jiju for this very useful, handy, lightweight, pocket size mirror, and it is going to be so helpful for travel in the coming days. Oh my god, I can't wait. When are we traveling, Abbai? Abbai! Chapo! Abbai Chapo! Abbai! Chapora! Okay, we'll speak later. Huh? 2025 new makeup vanity is set. Next, after makeup, what I love most is perfume, and this one is a body mist from Chloe. Very nice fragrance. It has very mild and chala beautiful. And then this is a combo that I got. It is from Bath and Body Works, and this is a hydration body cream. It's in the fragrance shea butter and hyaluronic acid. So very nice quality, manchiga quality, and thank you so much Anu Didi. Rendu hoop earrings, one in black, one in red, and this has a very nice, petal kind of a shape, and this has a flower, so chala cute, and I love hoop earrings, okay? And then tarvata, these are Appai stuff. This is Apple, uska Apple Watch ka bells hai, attachments hai. So one is in the metal and one is in the leather strap. That's it. Next, there's a story behind this. So I saw Attagaru Wala Intilo that she used this very colorful quirky bandage because she had a small cut on her index finger, and then I was like, array, it is so funky and so cute. So Nenu Mithu Didi Chappandi ki mere ko bhi aisa banded hona hai. So she got me this set of banded. So ताकि वो cut हो जाए, ये हो जाए, तो वो pale banded लगाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. So you can just put this colorful quirky ones, just like kids they use. So churu, see this? It's in a neon color, galaxy. And then also this one I love. It's a cute size. Nice. And then they have big ones also in this kind of bright colors. So solid colors. So very useful. And in this box there are 100 of bandages. So enough. So recently Mithu Didi had come in the month of December. So she got me 2 woolen stuff. So this is a very nice high neck turtleneck I love. So it has a very nice soft texture, and it's in the shade grey and black horizontal stripes. So I'm waiting to wear this, but Hyderabad mein thand to hai hi nahi. Kahan jana? Uske liye we have to travel. Okay Abbai? Abbai? Hello? Signal aa raha Abbai? So I'm waiting to wear this somewhere where I can wear this. I definitely cannot wear this in Hyderabad winter because there's no winter only. And then next we have this another turtleneck. It's in this beautiful mild red shade, and it has a very interesting slit on the back over here. So very nice. And Nenu love oversized clothes, so it is very comfortable, windy and easy to move. So that is it. Last but not the least, Abbai kosam this comforter. It's in a very beautiful green, military green shade and chala soft, and I'm planning to steal this. अब्बाई को तो वैसे भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था पहले जब मैं पूछा उसको, अभी भी सुनाई नहीं देगा, so I can happily keep this. Okay अब्बाई?
Khamosh, that's mine.
Thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up.
Khamosh,
Just
that is
thumbs up.
mine.
So Abbai had one of these before and I used to love that, but this time Meetu Didi got this very nice green shade and it is so soft. Chala pedda thanks to both Meetu Didi and Anu Didi for all these beautiful makeup products. I just can't wait. Let me know, मुझे बताना ज़रूर if you want me to do a makeup tutorial using all these makeup products, at least some of the makeup products from all this collection, because there's so much. Okay, so if you like this video, like చేయండి, share చేయండి, subscribe చేయండి, పక్కన ఒక బెల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేస్తే చాలా నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తాయి. బాయ్ అందరికీ.
వాట్ చికెన్?
చికెన్ నాటుకోడి.
నాటుకోడి అంటే ఏంటి?
नाटुकोड़ा प्रिपरेशन नेम.
నాటుకోడి అంటే ఏంటి?
वड़ा के साथ जो खाते हैं.
కోడి అంటే ఏంటి? కోడి అంటే ఏంటి? కోడి మీన్స్